Howdy, I'm Zach from Pure Fix, and I'm going to teach you how to assemble your new bicycle. First step after removing things from the box is to put on the front wheel. Before using your 15mm ratcheting wrench to tighten these, we'll do them finger tight on both sides. Next, we use our 15mm ratcheting wrench to sufficiently tighten these front bolts. One side good. Rolled in. Next step is to remove this front piece from the stem to put the handlebars on. The front back on. We're going to screw these in finger tight. And adjust them to your liking. And continue to tighten them all the way with the Allen wrench. Step is to install the seat. It's best to do that on a flat surface, so we're going to move to the table. Now we're going to take these two pieces that come with the saddle and square them with this side up, with the saddle face down on the table. We're going to clasp these together with this piece underneath. And now we're going to carefully finagle your seat post and screw this in until it catches underneath. Next, we'll take an Allen wrench one size bigger to tighten the seat post. Now, make sure the seat post clamp is loose enough where you can fit this in. We'll slide it down and tighten to the height of your liking. The next step is to screw in the pedals. Identify which is the left and the right, and they simply screw in the pedal arms. Now we're going to screw these pedals in finger tight until we use our 15mm wrench to tighten them. Next, we'll take this 15mm wrench and tighten these all the way on both sides. I noticed that this brake is a little bit loose, so we're going to use another Allen wrench to tighten this up until she's tight on the handlebar. And next we're going to adjust the brakes. While unboxing, you may notice that your brakes don't touch the wheels, meaning they won't help you brake, so we need to tighten those. And to do that, we're going to first loosen this with an Allen wrench. Next, we're going to squeeze, while this is loose, we're going to squeeze the brakes onto the wheel and re-tighten what we just loosened with the same Allen wrench. Now your bike should be all set to ride, but we do highly recommend you take it to your local bike shop to make sure it's tuned properly for a safe ride. Thank you, everyone.